Descending off the Virginia Piedmont at Sky Meadows State Park, Virginia. I think it's important to get out there on the landscape. As author Richard Louv said, we are suffering from nature deficit disorder. Not just kids, but the entire society. We need to get out there and connect with natural places. Humans have an innate connection to space and place. You could probably describe in great detail the neighborhood in which you grew up. Our spaces and places are intimately connected to our very beings. Get out there on the landscape. Use all five senses to observe, and get out there in different times of days and different seasons, here in the evening, in the autumn. Get out there and explore. The Virginia Piedmont Sky Meadows State Park, beautiful place. Look, the full moon was rising. What's not to love? Get out there on the landscape, protect the earth, study the earth through geography and through the application of geographic information systems, and keep on asking questions about how we can make the world a better place. Thanks.